If you look at the overall consumer goods evolution on growth, the last couple of quarters, if you look at comparable period last year, 2023, you are sitting at double-digit consumer goods growth, 11-12%, if not higher. And in the last couple of quarters, the number has come down from there to low single digits. And I think that is the kind of manifestation of the slowdown in the market. If you look at the results of most respected consumer good companies, also has been muted. And a few reasons for this, which are published, so therefore there's nothing new that I'm adding. One, there has been, of course, food inflation that has been quite significant, and that has had its impact on household budgets. Second is the real wages have been, as has been published by various surveys, have been either stagnant or have grown very marginally. Third is we seem to be seeing post-COVID, from whatever data is published, a K-shaped recovery. So the premium segment of the market is growing very well and quite strongly, whereas the belly of the market, the midstream and the popularly priced products seem to be languishing in terms of relative growth. This has manifested itself in overall volume declines as well because of the commodity-led inflation has compelled companies to take up prices reasonably significantly. So volume growth has suffered. So as a result of it, overall organic growth also has languished a bit during the last couple of quarters. How do I see the way going forward? Yes, this doesn't mean that the consumption story in India is over. Far from it. India still has a 60% share of GDP coming from consumption, albeit a little bit lower in the last couple of quarters. A few things that companies need to watch out for. Number one is to really recalibrate some of their brands and offerings in order to make the affordable segment a little bit more prominent in their marketing plans. Second is to accelerate the journey of premiumization because there is clearly an opportunity there. Third, with expected good monsoons and good winter crop, one is expecting that the rural sector, which has been doing relatively better than the urban sector, starts to improve. And finally, of course, I think with the overall economic growth, I hope coming back strongly in the coming quarters, there will be more disposable income. And with relenting food inflation that can happen with good commodities situation and good crops, I think there can be an improvement in overall consumption taking place. But at the moment, there is clearly some pressure in the market, and that's manifested itself in lower volume growths, lower organic growths, and therefore lower realization in terms of the returns that the companies are getting.